Hello and welcome back to Xirosoft. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge layers in Photoshop. So let's get started. At first, select the layers. In the Layers panel, hold down the Shift key and click on the layers you want to merge. With the desired layers selected, right-click on the mouse. Then select Merge Layers or Merge Visible, depending on your specific needs. Upon merging layers, Photoshop will combine them into a single layer. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Xirosoft. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.